it's Miss Ross.
Hi kids, it's Miss Ross and Lily. It's supposed to be like that. Only you're supposed to say, hi guys, it's Miss Ross and Lily. You just say that, alright? Take 7.
Hey guys, it's Miss Ross.
And Lily.
And Lily. And today we are making...
Not.
What are we making today?
Not Jones, not Boots, not Shake. We are making. Not.
What are we making?
I know.
What are we making?
I know. Okay, so that we have these and these and these. We're making rain sticks.
Alright, so
Yeah.
today we are making rain sticks. Now, for your rain stick, you are going to need a paper towel roll, 2 pieces of foil,
Yep. CD.
some rice, paper. We are using construction paper just because that's what we have, scissors, and tape. Now, to get started, you are first going to roll your first piece of foil into a not so tight roll. So can you roll that one? Not too tight.
Not too tight, not too light.
And then after you have it rolled,
Not too
you're just
tight.
gonna slightly do that. And you're gonna spiral it around something like a spoon. You can use a spoon, something thick. I'm actually using the thing that that holds my paper towels. So spiral it right around. Until it looks like that. So not too thick. Now, with your second piece of foil, you're actually going to make that one really, really skinny, almost like a worm or a snake. So we're gonna squeeze this one really, really tight. Can you squeeze it tight? Really, really tight. Actually, move this one out. Any help? Got it. Ooh, good job. Until it looks like a little snake like this. Now, once you have the 2 pieces of foil, you're actually gonna put the skinny one through the big one until you have the 2 pieces wrapped together. Thank you. We'll put it like that. Now, once they are put together, here you go, Lily. I have them together right here.
How do you do this?
I just did it.
It's wet.
It's not, it's just cold.
Why?
It's just this.
It looks like an 8.
Ooh, kind of. So once you have them put together, you are going to put them into your paper towel
I
roll.
don't have one.
Can you put this into that paper towel roll? Can you push it in? So you're gonna push it into the paper towel roll until all of it is in there.
I did it!
Good job. And of course, the next thing we have to do is we have to make the covers for this because we don't want the rice all over the place.
Yep.
So we're gonna both grab a piece of paper. Do you have these?
Favorite ever.
You're gonna trace the bottom of the paper towel
This
roll.
is good.
You're gonna actually do that one more time on a different part of the paper because you do need 2 covers. Can you draw another circle? Oh, that's too big.
Oopsie.
You'll have 2 circles on your paper. And after that, you're going to make 2 big circles around that. Now, once you have traced both circles, you're gonna draw a big circle around those. So the final thing will look like this. And then you're gonna cut out those big circles. So, okay. You are going to cut little notches all around that big circle. You have that cut out and the notches cut in. You're just gonna grab some tape and tape it to your paper towel roll.
I did this.
That's a lot of tape.
I kind of did it now.
Okay. Alright, now once you have the bottom taped on and ready to go, comes the fun part where you have to add some rice to be your rain sound. Ooh, I just marked all over myself.
I was looking for my tape.
No, it's okay.
Can I do that?
Yes. Now, this is the part that can get really, really messy. So we're gonna try our hardest to be clean about this. We're gonna make a little funnel with our paper and you're gonna I'm gonna drop it into your ring stick. Can you hold your ring stick?
Yes.
Really tight. And you're gonna pour that rice in. You don't need too much because you want it to have enough space to move around in there. I'm gonna lay yours down really quick. Can you help me put rice into mine? Are you ready?
Yes.
Just kiss your ring stick.
No, I was looking at it.
Put your hand.
I don't have that much.
You're gonna hold it. And she's gonna help you pour it into mine. Oh my gosh. You have to actually get it into the right stick. So we're gonna tape our ends on. Oh, careful, Lily. So it's traveling through all of that foil that we have in there. Now, for a little extra fun, we are going to decorate ours. You can tie some yarn around it to make it have a little tribal look. You can color it however you want, which is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna color our.
I am not the color.
What are you gonna do?
The just kidding. I'm not coloring.
You are gonna color it? Okay. All right. I hope you have fun making your rain sticks with your family, and I will see you next week for Fun Friday.
Bye.